you can make anytime, whether it's lunch or dinner, and it goes perfectly with rice, ugali, or even chapati. I love this recipe because it's very easy to follow, budget-friendly, and the results are always amazing. So make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any step. Let's get started. Just look at that. So beautiful, so delicious, and very inviting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more simple and delicious recipes. See you in my next video, my people.